In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a playlist on YouTube. So make sure to follow along to learn how to organize your videos, save your favorite content, and make playlists that are easy to find and share. Also, before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to get started with this, what I'm going to do is just come across to my channel so I can show you how to do this, but you can do this with any videos on YouTube. So what you want to do first is click onto the video that you want to create a playlist with. I'm just going to click onto this one here. And once you've done that, if you come down underneath the video, you're going to want to click onto the three dots just down here. On the menu that comes up, come and click onto save. And then on this window that pops up, you're going to see an option to create a new playlist. So give that a click. That's going to open a window like this. And from here, what you can do is choose a name for your playlist. So I'm just going to call this one example playlist. You can also choose the visibility, whether to make this playlist private so only you can view, or public so other people can view. And there is a collaborate button as well. Now, once you're happy with everything, just come and click on to create, and that's going to create a playlist. You can see in the bottom left hand corner, we have the pop-up saying playlist created. So what you can now do is if you actually come to any video, so I'm going to click onto another one of mine, and if you click onto the three dots under the video and click onto save, you should now see your example playlist or whatever playlist you've created. So just give it a click and that's going to save it to your playlist. And to find your playlist, all you need to do is come up to the top left hand corner of YouTube, click onto the three lines, and if you come down to the U section, you're going to see your playlist here. Give that a click, and what it's going to do is take you to this screen where you're going to find your created playlists. Once you click onto your playlist, it's going to start playing the videos from that playlist. You can see on the right hand side, we can go through the different videos in the playlist, and we can choose to delete videos, share videos, and of course change the visibility settings and things like that from here as well. So that is how to create a playlist on YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.